Hello students, welcome to Anjana's maths class. Today I will teach you fractions. Last video I taught you the definitions of fractions. Now let us convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. So how will you convert? You just divide it. Look here, you just divide it. Okay. Now see 7 how much? 7 2s are 14. Now, okay, you know this is the quotient, this is the remainder, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Now, how will you write it? Quotient will be here, remainder will be the numerator and denominator will be the divisors. Denominator will remain same. Quotient will be the whole number and remainder will be the numerator. So this is mixed fraction. Now let us do another one. You just divide it. So 106. So 11 9s are 99. Just subtract it. 7 16 minus 9 you borrow here. This will be 10. This will then again borrow. This will be 16 and this will be ultimately 9 here. Okay. You just divide it. 16 minus 9 is 7 and 9 minus 9 is 0. So how will you write? Quotient is the whole number. Then remainder will be the numerator and divisor will be the here denominator. Okay. So we have converted improper fractions into mixed fractions. Let us do another one. Now look here, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So how will you do it? You just denominator will remain same here. 8 into 5 whole number into denominator plus 1 numerator. 1 minute. So how will you write this? I am writing little bigger so it will be visible to you. 8 into 5. This whole number multiplied by denominator and then plus with numerator. This is the formula. Okay. Now 8 into 5 is 40. 41 by 5. This is your mixed fraction. Now, improper fraction. Again, in this, how will you write? Denominator 11, then 3 into whole number into denominator plus 2. Now, 11, 3, 33 plus 2, 35 by 11. Okay. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. This is the formula. You can write also whole number into denominator. Plus numerator. Divide by this denominator will remain same here. This this is the formula. Whole number, I am writing here the short form of number. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. So this is the formula for converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Now look here. The question is reduce the fractions to lowest terms by dividing with their HCF. Okay, so what you will do, the HCF of 32 and 50 will be 2. You can do it. So divide by 2 and here you can divide by 2. Okay, the answer will be 1625. So HCF of 32 and 50 is 2. You divide by the HCF, numerator and denominator, 2 1632 and 2 25 is 50. Now look here. Here HCF will be 5. So you can find it out. Here HCF will be 5. So how much? 5, 15, 75. And this is 5, 7, 35. Okay. Now you can reduce this in, transfer it into mixed fractions. Here you cannot transform because 16 is less than 25. You cannot divide 16 by 25. But here you can divide it. Okay. So let us divide and convert it into mixed fraction. So what is the whole number? Quotient is the whole number. Remainder will be the numerator and divisor will be the denominator. So you can reduce the fractions into lowest term by HCF. Now look here. Reduce the following fractions to the lowest term by dividing with the common factors. So what you will do here, common factor is here 7. You just divide it by 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 7s are 49. Now look here. 18 7. Here you can divide by 3. So this will be 3 6 is 18 and 3 9s are 27. Again you can divide this with 3. So it will become 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 6 and 3 3s are 9. So you can reduce it into lowest term by common factors also. Okay. Now look here, use the correct sign, less than or greater than. Look, this one is 7 by 11 and 9 by 11. Same denominator. You have to notice this. These have same denominator. So you have to only look here 9 and 7. So Which one will be greater? 9 will be greater. Okay. But look this question. Here numerators are same. Denominators are different. So when denominators are different, you should know that the numerator which is less, that is greater. Numerator which is less, that is greater. But when denominator are same, then which number is greater, that fraction will be greater. Now look here, 12, 8, 5 and 3. Here numerators are also different, denominators are also different. So you have to make the denominator same. Then you can easily find out which one is greater. So take out LCM of 12 and 8. Okay, here I am doing the rough work. So 12 and 8. You just take out the LCM of 12 and 8. It's 2, 4. 1 minute. Okay, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 4 are 8. Then 2, 3 is 6. 2, 2 is 4. Again 2. Okay, now what will be the LCM of 12 and 8? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So, LCM of 12 and 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So, 2, 2 is 4, 4, 2 is 8, 8, 3 is 24. Okay. So LCM you got it 24. Now look here. 5 by 12. So what you will do? LCM is 24. So what you have to do? 24 divided by 12. You will get 2. Then 5 into 2 is 10 by 24. You have to divide this 24 into 12. You will get 2. Then just multiply with numerator 2 into 5. That is 10 by 24. Again 3 by 8. What you will do here? 24, you divide 24 by 8, how much you will get? 3. And numerator is also 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 by 24. Okay. Now I am rubbing this. Your answer here, denominator is same. Now it is easy for you to find out which one is greater. So 10 by 24 is greater. Okay. 10 by 24 means 5 by 12. Look here. 5 by 12. 9 by 24 is 3 by 8. So this is less and this is greater, 5 by 12. So in this way you can find out greater than or less than. And also you can find ascending and descending numbers also. Now look here, how will you find ascending order and descending order? So this is the mixed fraction you have given 1 by 3, 1 2 by 5, 1 5 by 6 and 1 7 by 10. So let us first convert it into fraction. Okay. Then 3 1s are 3. Mixed fraction into proper fraction. How will you convert it? Proper or improper? 3 1s are 3. Then plus 1. This is 4. I have taught you how to convert the mixed fraction. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Then 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 by 6. And 10 ones are 10 plus 7, 17 by 10. So let me check once. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. It's okay. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. And 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11. And 10 ones plus 7, 17. Now you find out the LCM of all the denominators. Now look here. You have to just find the LCM here. 3, 5, 6 and 10. This is by common division method. 3. Let us take first 2. Okay, let us take first 2. Because 6 and 10 is here. So, 3 is not divisible by 2. So, let we write 3 as 3, 5 as 5. Then 2 3s are 6. And 2 5s are 10. Then 3, 1, 5 will remain here same. And 5. Okay. Now find out the LCM. LCM will be how much? 2 into 3 into 5. That is 3 2 6 5 30. So LCM is 30. Now take out this one. You can write here 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Then this is equal to, you write here 30 is LCM. 30 divided by 3. I have taught you this one in greater and less than sign. First you have to convert it all the denominators into same one denominator. Okay, you find out LCM, then here it will be 30, then 30 divided by 3 is how much? 30 divided by 3 is 10. So 10 into 4 is 40. Then 1 2 by 5. This will be 7 by 5. Again 30 is the LCM. This divided by 5 is 6. Then 6 into multiply by 7 is 42. Okay. If you are not understanding, let me. This 7 by 5. Okay. Here what we do, take the LCM. 30 is the LCM. You first divide by 5. Then how much you will get? 6. Answer is 6. So this 6 into 7. Okay. Now what you will get? 6 7s are 42 and denominator is 30 here. 30 will remain same. Okay. Here denominator will be remain same. Just you have to divide by 5. This one, and then you will get the answer 6, and then you multiply it with numerator. Now another one 5 by 6. So 1 5 by 6 is 11 by 6. So if our LCM is 30. Then 30 divided by 6. How much? 5. So 5 into 11 is 55. Now let us take the last one. Let me rub this. 1 7 by 10. So this will be how much? 17 by 10. Your LCM is 30. then 30 divided by 10 is 3, and 17 into 3 is 51. Okay. Now write in ascending order. This is smallest, then this one, then this one, and last this one. So 40 by 30, this is less than, you write here less than. 42 by 30, then this one less than. 51 by 30 less than. 55 by 30. This is ascending order. In descending order, you have to just opposite of this. In descending order, you have to write in this way. This way. This will be first, then this, then this, then this. Now, look here. Answer is 40 by 30 is how much? 1 by 3. This is your answer. ANS. This is your answer. Okay. 40 by 30 is 1 by 3. Then 42 by 30 is 2 by 5. You have to write these mixed fractions at the end because they ask you these mixed fractions. Okay. So at the end your answer should be like this. This is the ascending order. 40 by 30 is 1 by 3. Then 42 by 30 is 2 by 5. The next one is 51 by 30. So this will be 7 by 10. And last one will be this 5 by 6. In descending, just opposite of this will be first you have to write, then this, then this, then this. Okay, just opposite of this. So descending you do yourself, this is your homework. Okay. Students, please practice all the sums at your home. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.